Okay, I'm trying this for real this time. Just so you know. Take one. Chink. Hi! Welcome to Chrissy Joe's Crappy Crafts, where I find pictures on the internet of crafts and I make them with no instructions. When I'm done, you have a very important job. You need to tell me, should I keep it or should I
crush it?
Today, let's make a thingy. Today, we're gonna make this really cool alarm clock made out of cardboard. Let's do this. Gotta break down my boxes. I think this box will work for it. The part that I'm not looking forward to is making the round part. So after this. And that's loose. If you are wondering, this is not a how-to video. I don't know what I'm doing, so I can't teach anybody else. Two. Water break.
Chug, 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 yeah!
Hydration. I wonder if scissors would be easier. Why did I not think of this before? I think that's all my numbers. Look at all that. Those are numbers. I made numbers, guys. What was I just cutting? Oh, my bad. Oh, look. It's starting to look like a clock, isn't it? What was this for? You guys remember? I don't know what this was for. Oh, I remember. It's the bell bottoms. Okay, now I have everything cut out. Before I put it all together, what I want to do is make it a lot fancier than that because I'm bougie.
Hi.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it all. Painting time. I don't want to get my board all painty, so I'm going to use cardboard. Whoa, my dog just came out of nowhere. I forgot my paint. Thanks for waiting. Got my paints. Time to paint. Ooh, paintings. I like paint. Ooh, that gold glitter. Oh my goodness. Guys, look at it. It's so shiny. Okay, that's it. I've got everything cut out. I've got everything painted. So now I just wait for it all to dry and then I'll put it all together. Let's wait for it to dry. Awesome, it's dry. Fantastic. Now to the fun part. Cardboard doesn't want to be round. The part that I'm not looking forward to is making a round part. I think that's working. More glue. I hope that's the answer. When you don't have help and you need to push your glue stick in, your chin works really well. Guys, this is going great.
Liar, liar, pants on fire.
So I'm now wondering whether or not they had more than just one piece of cardboard as a clock face, because it'd probably be easier that way. Too late now. Just gonna hold this for a minute. All right, look, we got it. We got a clock face. Awesome. Ow. Hot glue is hot, y'all. Ow. I'm running out of room. Just tuck that. 11 right up in there. That's good. It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry. And you got the hands. And I just noticed that these are tapered, so let me taper these a little bit. Taper means to make it skinny. Oh, I didn't even think about what time I should make it. Hey, honey, what time should I make the clock say?
I don't know what that means.
Okay, now we need bells. Silver bells, purple bells, purple bells, purple bells on my cardboard alarm clock. One beatsy. Ah, ah, ah. Is that copyrighted? I do not own that. Ah, ah, ah. All right, let's see. You ready? Ta-da! Ta-da! Look at that! You guys, I totally made a clock. That looks amazing. Wow. I just made this without any instructions, just by looking at the picture and using my noggin. Not terrible. Not wonderful. All right, I did my part. Now it's time for you to do yours. Comment down below and let me know, should I keep it or should I crush it? Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, don't be crappy, be happy.